Question 13, you're asked to do one of these from go to woe by yourself. Firstly, peg out a start and then think very, very carefully. A and B have no predecessors, so they must start the ball rolling. Now, reading along, C requires A and A only. And down in the lower chain, as I've started to draw it, D requires A as well. But also activity E requires B and D. I'm just going to draw that there. And then E will follow. Now, I've got to do a little bit of thinking here. F requires C and E, but G requires G only. G requires C only, I should say. The last activity, H, is going to require both F and E to occur. So I'll just put those two in together. Now at this point, I need to put a dummy edge in because G only requires C, but F requires both C and E to be completed. I'll just draw an arc in like that for G8. Now, what I might do in a moment, I might take you through a bit more working in a pen scenario with that. I'll let you finish that and just track it through for yourself at the moment. Now, what I've done here, I've drawn in just in brackets my earliest start time and my latest finishing time. So I go 0, 3, 6 wins out, 9, it's only 5 to there, and a choice of 13, 14 wins out, H and 2 finishing at 16, 16. My critical path is A, D, E, F and H. My latest finishing times are backward scan 16, 14, 9. Obviously 3, 3 and 0. The only one I've got to do a little bit of thinking about is the 14, take 8, which is 6. Now, even though that requires no time, I could have a bit of float time involved with C. So I'll just start working these through. Now, because a lot of things are on the critical path, so 0, D, E, F and H, automatically they're going to have a 0 float time. Now B is a 6 take 5 job, which will give me a float time of 1. In the case of activity C, I'm going to also have 1, 6 take 2 take 3, which is 1. And when I come down to G, G is 14 take the 5, take the 8, which will give me a float time of 1. Now that is a little fiddly, and you may well have a slightly different diagram to the one I've got.